guys, it's Eugenia. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup video where I'm going to be trying a new makeup palette for the first time. So I'm so excited to try this new palette. It's the Too Faced Unicorn palette right here. It says Life's a Festival, Peace, Love, and the Unicorns. Like I saw Too Faced, they came out with like this really awesome new makeup collection that's like all unicorn themed. And I'm like so excited to try this because I love unicorns so much. They're just so great and like so magical, so I'm so excited. I also have like my unicorn necklace like on right now because like yeah, I haven't even tried this yet and already this is like my favorite packaging ever for a makeup product. I haven't even tried the actual palette yet and I'm already kind of ready for this to be like my new favorite palette, so hopefully it works good. And then those are the colors when you open this up inside. It's so cool. It's kind of like a reflective packaging, so it's like rainbows everywhere. I'm not even really sure which colors in it exactly I'm gonna be using, but I just really like want to try a bunch of them out and just kind of see how it works. So yeah. Okay, so first I'm just gonna put my primer on. So I feel like there's so many colors that I could try in here. So I think first I'm just gonna try this shade called Beamin', and it just looks like a really pretty kind of like shiny white shade. And yeah, I'm just gonna use like a small brush for that and kind of put it in the corner of my eyes and see how it works. So yeah, this also has a little mirror right here to like make things easier. So it's so nice. Everything with this is so pretty. Wow, so I think this is such a pretty color. It's like really shiny and kind of like sparkly looking, which I love that. It kind of has like a bit of like a gold color to it too. So it's like a really nice like kind of white shiny gold. I don't know if you guys can see the gold that much on camera, but it is kind of like a gold to it. I don't know, I think it's like super cool. So I think that next I'm gonna try this kind of like pinkish shade right there called Mystic Rain. And I'm going to see how that works. It's gonna kind of like not put that on my whole lid, but just kind of maybe like halfway. Whoa, wait, it's like blue? Wait, why is this coming out blue? Wait, let me try this again. It like came out blue. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be blue and pink at the same time? Whoa. Okay, so I was completely 100% not expecting that. I was like, what did I do? Did I dip this in the wrong color? But I think it's kind of supposed to maybe be like two colors at once. Look, like it's really cool. I don't know how much you can see that on camera, but it's kind of like a mix. This might sound really weird, of blue and pink at the same time. I don't know if it's called like a duochrome color. Probably not. I don't really know. But yeah, but it's so cool. Like even though like I was not expecting it, at the same time, I'm like kind of obsessed with it. I actually really like how it works. Like I've never seen an eyeshadow do that. Already I knew I had a good feeling with this palette. I knew I was gonna like it. Now that just makes me want to try like all of these and see like what color they actually show up as. Like that is amazing. I'm kind of obsessed with that. That's so cool. But alright, so I think now kind of like on the other half of my eyelid, just kind of going out more, I want to try this Dusk Teal Dawn. I'm actually really curious now. I think where it says teal, it will probably still be blue. Now I'm like, wow, is it actually going to be blue or is it going to be like a different color? Yeah, I guess we'll find out what this color is. So far on the brush, it's still looking like it's going to be blue. Oh well. So it is blue. This one actually is blue, but it's so pretty. I feel like honestly just looking at like on the palette, like it looks pretty there, but it doesn't really do it justice to when you actually put it on your eye. Like when you actually put it on your eye, this is probably one of like the prettiest blues I think I've ever used. Like it's such a nice, like super shiny, pretty blue. Once again, I'm like kind of obsessed with this color. So guys, I feel like this is gonna be like my new like go-to palette. I don't know if this is a permanent palette or a limited edition palette, but I'm really hoping it is not limited edition because I think this very well could turn out to be like my favorite palette that I've used. I knew when it was a unicorn palette, there was like a really good sign that I was gonna like it. This is my kind of palette. These colors, when you put them on your eyes, they are so pretty. I'm loving this so far. I've only used like two so far, but still loving it so far. Might be kind of messy right now. It's like my first time using this palette, but I love it. I'm gonna try to like do my crease section of my eyes now. Wow, there's so many possibilities of what I could use. I think I'm probably gonna want to use like not too big of a crease brush and kind of just use like a thinner, like smaller crease brush. So I kind of really want to try this purple right here called Fantasy. I'm gonna see how that works. I'm gonna kind of put it like in the top crease that's on the right there and just see how this applies. Oh wow, I like put that on the brush, like look how much I got right on the brush. So okay, I'm gonna try that out. I may have put on too much. I wasn't really expecting it to like collect so much product right away, but yeah. Whoa, 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 okay. So this purple is like very intense. I like it. I think it's really pretty. I think it's a really cool color, but I should probably not put that much on. I was not really expecting it to be such. Okay, I'm gonna like dust this off just a little bit. Like I love the color. I actually am like really happy with the color, but wow, like it applies like a lot. It's really good though. Like you don't probably even need to use too much product to get like a really big good effect with it. So there's that purple right there. I love the color though. Like I think it's a super good purple. It's really pretty. I kind of want to use the blue again, but at the same time I do want to try more colors. Like I can like show you guys how they look on and stuff. So instead I think I'm gonna try this Artist Pass right there and see how that applies. I think I'm gonna use like a different brush too. I'm just gonna use like a crease brush because wow, that purple like really goes on. You really do not need a lot of product to get a lot of eyeshadow on. This one is Artist Pass, and this one looks like it's kind of might be a similar formula to the Mystic Rain one, maybe, just like looking at it. So that's the one that I'm gonna try and see how that works. I'm like wondering, I'm like, what color is this one gonna be? Wow, so this one is kind of more like a little bit kind of like reddish than I expected, like maybe a little bit more pink, but it also kind of does have like that gray like metallic to it too. So I don't know, that is like really cool. I love how like these colors, like you don't really know like what to expect, but like in a good way. I think that's like the way they're meant to be. There's like a certain kind of formula I think that like this is called that I probably don't know because I'm not like a makeup professional, but I'm kind of like obsessed with that. Like I think it's so pretty, and I love how like these, they're literally like so shiny and like sparkly. Like I feel like a magical unicorn. It's so cool. I just want to try like as many colors as possible since it's like my first time using this. So probably, I don't know, maybe I'd go with like the blue or something because I think that could look really pretty. But like I said, I really want to try like as many colors as I can. I kind of want to try the Firefly color, like the green right there. Wow, so once again, I really love this. So if you look at that there, I'm not sure how much you can see on camera, but in person you can see this is such a pretty, it's kind of like a lime green shade, but it's like once again like super pretty and like really shiny, like kind of like metallic, really cool. Once again, I'm like loving these colors. They're so pretty. I want to try some of the pinks over here too, I think. So I think that I'm gonna try Rainbow Life. I feel like this is very like rainbow looking eye look, so it's like perfect. Wow, and this shade also I feel like is so pretty. So this one actually does show up pink in your eyes. This one is in like a different color than what it appears to be, but it is a super pretty pink, and it kind of does look like it would be like a pink unicorn or something, like really pretty like that. So that is that on the other side of my eye, like right in there. I think it's super pretty. I don't really know exactly how many more eyeshadows I could fit in my eyes, so I think I am going to like mostly be done with that now. I know it's probably not like the best eye makeup look right now. I wanted to try to like use as many colors as I could because like I said, it's a brand new palette. I've never used it before. I wanted to see how these like unicorn colors look. But one more cool thing actually too that this palette comes with, like you may have noticed that Ultimate Tears, that's the name of that one, color is like much bigger than all of the other pans for the eyeshadows. The reason why that one is so much bigger is because that one is actually a highlighter. So that one I'm gonna actually try right now to use as a highlighter like on my face and see how it looks. I'm like so excited to try this right now. I love highlighter. Whoa, it's so pretty. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh, it's like, it's so pretty when you put it on. So this like really, I might have put on a little bit too much because I wasn't really expecting it to be like so like, whoa. But it's so beautiful. It's like kind of like, it has like a pink kind of like tone to it. So yeah, I literally feel like a unicorn. It's so pretty. You probably really, like I said, you probably do not need to put on as much as I put on. I wasn't quite expecting it to be such an intense highlight, but I like to be like shiny. I like to have a lot of highlighter kind of, so I'm kind of okay with that. But like, yeah, you don't even need to like put much on. And then I'm just gonna also like highlight my nose a little bit. And I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow area, like right there. Yeah, so you can kind of see like right there, guys, that this is like a really cool. It's kind of like a purpley, like it is kind of like really white, but it kind of has like some pink, like kind of purple to it. It's like a unicorn color. It's so beautiful. And now I'm just gonna go and do eyeliner and mascara and lashes and all that. All right, guys, well that is my makeup finished. Now that I have my liner and my lashes on and all the shadows on, so I'll also show you guys just kind of closer so you can see. So that is kind of closer how all these shadows came out. So you guys can kind of like get a better idea. You can also tell like looking up close that my highlighter is like insane right now. And yeah, like I said, if you don't want that much of a highlight, because I know not everyone likes to be like quite so shiny, I kind of put a lot of product on at first, not really knowing it was gonna go on so intense, but I love it. I think it is such a pretty highlighter color, so I do really like the color a lot. I think it's so awesome. And yeah, those are the shadows that I tried on today, like closer up. So that was me trying this new unicorn palette for the first time today. Definitely like I had such a good feeling about this palette. Like when I found out there was a unicorn palette, and I'm just like obsessed with unicorns, I had such a good feeling about it that I was just gonna like totally love it. And my feeling, I feel like, was so true. I think that I very well may have just found like my new favorite palette that I'm gonna use like all the time, because it's just so amazing. Like the colors are so shiny and so sparkly and so pretty, so I really love them. So if you guys liked seeing this unicorn kind of like makeup tutorial like review kind of video, then give this video a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos from me, because I post videos a lot. And yeah, alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!